Hey there, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can voice chat on Grok AI. So first go to grok.com. After that on the left panel here you can see voice. Just go to the voice and then it will ask you to enable the microphone access. So you have to give microphone access. After that now it will open. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Go on.
So what type of work you can do?
I can answer questions, help you brainstorm, write or edit text,
Oh,
translate stuff.
oh great. Can you write a script for me?
Sure, what's it for? A video, play, or something else?
A video for a video. So the topic is how to make a YouTube channel.
All right, let's keep it simple and engaging. Fade in, upbeat music plays. Host smiles at camera.
So this is how you can chat with Grok AI. So hope that this will help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.